Welcome back, you guys. Here for another fun bowling ball shoot. This time we're going to be shooting some 300 Blackout at it, just some ball, 123 grain from MagTech, and we'll see how it does. Shooting a, say it's an Ebonite NVD ball this time. This is one of my old balls. It was a 15 pounder, and not to be for long. Yeet! Whoa, first shot, major damage. I was a little stronger than the 11.3 5.56. Woo! Woo! That's for the time you didn't carry that strike. Ow! Wow. Well, that certainly didn't take as many rounds as the old 5.56 11.3 inch did. That 300 Blackout at that short of barrel's impressive. Chunks everywhere. There you go. There's the core. It's pretty sharp actually. Shell. Core. All right, well, I think that about sums that one up. Thanks for watching, you guys. God bless. And remember, sparing is caring.